Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making yummy different style of biryani for Eid. Chicken half kg with bone, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoon, salt as per taste, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, garam masala half tablespoon, biryani masala 1 tablespoon, yogurt 2 tablespoon, fried onion, oil 4 tablespoon. Mix everything. Marinate for 4 hours. Chicken boneless 250 grams. Green chilies 2, salt as per taste. Make fine paste. Keep aside. In a handi, oil 4 tablespoon, whole spices, cinnamon, clove, green cardamom, green chilies 2, chopped onion 1 cup. Fry until changes color on medium heat. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, marinated chicken, 1/4 cup water, cook until chicken tender. In another pan, oil 2 tablespoon. Fry the chicken balls until changes color. Fry on medium heat. Boiled eggs. Fry and keep aside. Water 4 cups, whole spices, salt half tablespoon, 2 cups rice, 4 cups water, cook on high heat until 90% rice done. Chicken is almost done. Now add mint and coriander. 90% cooked rice. Fried eggs. Fried chicken balls. Fried onion on top. Saffron milk. Cook on low heat for 10 minutes. Ready to serve. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye. Eid Mubarak.